Faithfulness is all about. Faithfulness. Being faithful to your partner.
No, disrespect, trust, care, love.
If you love someone, faithfulness is number one. You have to be faithful.
No, I respect you. See, for me, respect is
You are distorted mind of Allah. If you love someone, you should be faithful. Even if the person is not with you for a year, 2 years, you should stay. You should be faithful. So love is faithful. I hope you know that.
For me, love is money.
We can't change you.
Now Norma wants to say something. Norma, come.
Because that is your love is money according.
You have money, you have love.
Yeah.
But I have a lot of money, I have no love. I have a lot of money, I have no one.
You have money. You have money. You also have to spend. If you don't spend, you get.
Okay, so
You always keep your money inside. You will not get love. No. You spend the money.
Then you'll get a love.
Yes.
it has